Title 6, Local Development Council. Section 106, Local Development Council. Each local government unit shall have a comprehensive multi-sectoral development plan to be initiated by its development council and approved by its sanggunian. For this purpose, the Barangay Development Council at the provincial, city, municipal, or barangay level shall assist the corresponding sanggunian in the setting, the direction of economic and social development, and coordinating development efforts within its territorial jurisdiction. So, ang ibig sabihin ng Section 106, Section 106, first, lahat ng local government units, probinsya, siyudad, munisipyo at barangay kailangan magkaroon ng development plan o plano kung paano paunlarin ang lugar, ekonomiya, serbisyo at iba pa. Ang Local Development Council o LDC ang gumagawa o nag-i-initiate ng planong yun. So, pagkatapos nilang gawin, need nitong aprobahan ng sanggunian. So, ang trabaho ng Local Development Council ay tulungan ang sanggunian kung ano ang way ng pag-unlad ng lugar at i-coordinate ang iba't ibang project at development efforts para hindi maging ghost project. In short, dapat talaga may development ang bawat lugar. Ginagawa ito ng Local Development Council tapos ina-approve ng sanggunian o sinasabi kanina, tulad sa nabanggit ko kanina, LDC at sanggunian ang naggagabay at nagko-coordinate para sa pag-unlad ng komunidad. Section 107, Composition of Local Development Council. The composition of the Local Development Council shall be as follow. So, A. The Barangay Development Council shall be headed by the punong barangay and shall be composed of the following members. Number 1, members of the Sangguniang Barangay. Number 2, representative of non-governmental organization operating in the barangay who should constitute not less than 1/4 of the members of the fully organized council. 3. A representative of the congressman. B. The City Municipality Development Council shall be headed by the mayor and shall be composed the following members. Number 1, punong barangay in the city of municipality. Number 2, the chairman of committee on appreciation of the Sangguniang Panglungsod or Sangguniang Bayan concerned. 3, the congressman of his representative, and number 4, representative of non-governmental organization operating in the city of municipality as the case may be, who should constitute not less than 1/4 of the members of the local organized council. C. The provincial development council shall be headed by the governor and shall be composed the following members. 1. All mayors of component cities and municipalities. 2. The chairman of the committee of appreciation of the Sangguniang Panglalawigan. 3. The congressman of his representative and representative of non-governmental or organization operating in the province who shall constitute not less than 1/4 of the member of the fully organized council. So the local development council can all call upon any local official concerned or any official of national agencies of office in the local government unit to assist in the formulation of their respective development plans and public investment project. So, ang ibig sabihin naman ng Section 107, una, A, sa barangay level, ang Council ay pinamumunuan ng punong barangay. Ang miyembro nito ay mga kagawad ng sangguniang barangay. Ang mga representative mula sa NGOs, non-government organization na active sa barangay na hindi bababa ng 1 to 4 ng total members ng council at isang representative ng congressman para sa lugar. So, in short, sa barangay si Kap ang head kasama ang mga kagawad, mga NGO representative na dapat marami-rami din at isa sa representative ng congressman. So, sabi naman sa B, sa siyudad o munisipyo naman, ang head ng Development Council ay ang mayor. Ang mga miyembro ay lahat ng punong barangay sa lungsod o munisipyo like chairman ng community and appreciation ng sangguniang panglungsod o sangguniang bayan kasi siya yung in charge sa budget committee kasama ang kongresta o kanyang kinatawan. May mga kinatawan mula sa NGOs na dapat ay hindi bababa sa 1 to 4 ng kabuuang miyembro ng council. So, sa C, so sinabi sa sino so sinasabi sa C, pinamumunuan ng gobernador kasama ang lahat ng mayor ng lalawigan, um, chairman ng chairman ng appreciations committee sa sangguniang panglalawigan, kongresta o kanyang kinatawan, mga NGO representative na bumubuo ng hindi bababa sa 1 to 4 ng kabuuang miyembro. Dagdag at maaring humingi ng tulong ang LDC sa mga lokal o pambansang opisyal para gumawa ng development plans at public investment programs. So in short, sa city o municipality, si mayor ang head, member lahat ng kapitan, plus yung chairman ng budget committee ng council. Section 108, representation of non-governmental organization within a period of 60 days from the start of organization of the local development council. The non-governmental organization shall be choose from among themselves their representative to said council. The local sangguniang concerned should be accredited non-governmental organization should subject to such criteria as may be provided by law. Section 8. So, ayun sa Section 8, NGOs, pag nabuo ang Development Council, may 60 days ang mga NGO para pumili ng representative nila. Kailangan muna silang i-accredit ng sangguniang bago sila makasali. Section 109, function of the local development council. The provincial, city, and municipal development council shall exercise the following functions. Number 1, formulate long-term, medium-term, and annual socioeconomic development plans and policies. 2, formulate the medium-term and annual public investment programs. 3, appraise and prioritize socio-economic development programs and projects. 4, formulate local investment initiative to promote the inflow and direction of private investment capital. 5, coordinate, monitor, and evaluate the implementation of the development programs and project. And 6, perform such other function as may be provided by law or compete authority. B. The Barangay Development Council shall exercise the following function. First, mobilize people participation in local development efforts. 2. Prepare barangay development plans based on local requirements. 3. Local monitor and evaluate the implementation of the local programs and project. And 4. Perform such other function as may be provided by law or competent authority. Section 109. So, ang council ang namuuna, ang gumagawa ng mga plano para sa kaunlaran ng lugar. Pangalawa, nagpaplano ng budget at proyekto ng LGU. Pangatlo, namimili kung alin ang proyekto ang unahin. Pang-apat, nagbibigay ng initiatives para mahikayat ang private investors. Panglima, nagmomonitor at sumusuri ng mga proyekto. Pang-anim, gumagawa ng ibang pangtungkulin ng utos ng batas. So yun na ang council. Section 110. Meetings and quorum. The local development council shall